she's got the wing out, and so you know it's gonna be good. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing the much requested video, and that is to do a tutorial on my finger waves or how I style my short hair. So I had to come through with a tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what products I use, how I do it. I am not saying that I'm the best at it at all. I'm not saying this is the best way to do it. This is just how I do it. Very, very simple. It takes me about 5 minutes in the morning. I do it very quick, very easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. So if you want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so now that I've got you guys all up close and personal, I'm gonna show you what I actually do to get my hair in the little finger waves. So first things first, you already know we like to save that money, you guys. And this right here is a lifesaver. So you can go to your local Walgreens or CVS or Rite Aid or however, and you can buy one comb for like $3, or you can buy this whole pack of combs. This is 20 combs, 20 combs, $2.50. Like, we love a steal, we love a deal, you already know. I lose these so much. Like, just to put this into perspective, I've already lost one of these since I bought it the other day. So this is a lifesaver. Having all these extra combs on hand is essential to me because I don't like going out like this, okay? This is the one that we're gonna be using today just because it's my little comb of the week. So as far as products, I decided to pick out a few different products to show you guys. I've tried a couple new ones recently, different from the one that I was normally using. But what you're going to need is hair foam, not like mousse. I find it to be very, very different. You have your mousse, you know, in a can and like whipped cream, you know, mousse. And to me, mousse makes your hair very hard, in my opinion. At least all the one mousses I've ever tried in my life. They make your hair like crunchy and hard. These have so much water in them that your hair is going to feel soft, but it's gonna hold really, really well. You know, a lot of these are meant for curly or textured hair, and obviously, as you can see right now, if there was any wave to my hair or anything, it's gone because I bleached it to death. Yes, I acknowledge that definitely, but this is the only thing that works to do the finger waves in my hair. This is essential. Essential. This is the one I've been using recently. I try to pick up ones that you could find at your local store. These two are $11. This one's Shea Moisture. This is what I use for the girls' hair. And John Frieda, you can find these at Walgreens, Walmart, or anything. And also, in my opinion, I like to buy something affordable because I'm not going to be repurchasing something over and over and over again every week and a half. If it's like $50, like, no way. First things first, I'm going to take the product and I'm going to pump like 4 times. And first, I just like to flatten it out and make sure my part is nice in place. You know, I haven't had a haircut in probably 2 weeks, so don't judge me. We're gonna use a lot of this. That's why I said you're gonna be purchasing this a lot. So you're gonna wanna find something that you like. So I like to start off with the sides first. I get a lot tighter little waves on the sides than I do on this longer side. So we're just gonna go in and do this first. I'm just gonna push this forward, swoop it back, push it forward, swoop it back, push it forward, until down here you can see that it's not gonna do it, so I just comb that down because I don't even want it to look like I just try to do a little struggle wave. Just skip it. I'm just gonna flatten it out. Push it forward, push it back, push it forward, push it back. And of course, the longer your hair gets, the more you'll actually have to do like a finger wave. Like you'll have to hold it and then push it and then hold it and push it. But right now my hair is so short that it really just, it works for me to just do it a simple way like this. This is the longer part of my hair. I like to do very small sections. So I'll just do one piece and then another and another. So, do you guys hear this? More ASMR hair. So we're gonna push it down, push it up, push it down, push it up, push it up, push it down. Okay, and I'm gonna go in on the sides again after I'm done, but any little hairs that are sticking out, if there's ones in the front like this, I like to usually push them off to this side so that I know that they'll stay down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next spot. So I do about 3 little pumps. Comb it. And if I'm gonna go back in on the side, I'm just gonna take the extra product. Okay, I really just picked like the smallest mirror I could find. Okay, well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a second to dry down, and then I'll come back and show you the final results. So this is what the hair looks like all dried down. This is how I wear it every single day. It is so simple, so easy, takes literally 5 minutes without me talking. I feel like it pops so much with the blonde, but the only problem is I'm so tired of bleaching my hair. I just had to film this tutorial before I go rogue and just shave it off again, because that's probably what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna grow it back dark and shiny and pretty. But it's like hard to get rid of the blonde because it looks so snatched, like it looks so good. So I really hope this helped you guys though. A lot of people had hit me up saying that they're looking for a style to do their hair in while it's growing out because you shaved it or you cut it really short or anything like that. But this is my favorite look. I feel like this is honestly the only look that looks good on me with my hair short. The Draco Malfoy is not a look for me. It's just not. It's a look for him, but it's not a look for me. But yeah, guys, that is it for this tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, hit the notifications. Just do the most. I would appreciate it. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.